You get it?
Sure did.
So Jack took all this out, except for the studs, and that's load bearing.
That's a
So
load
you
bearing.
all have braced it up.
Yes.
What's the plan for that?
We're gonna install a 2x12
That's the one that's out there on the
on the,
lawn?
yes.
Okay.
To support that, and we're gonna kind of simulate 2 resting points, one to the left and one to the right,
Right.
to have another frame, open frame and open concept.
Okay. Yeah, that's going to be great. So what you're going to like put in another?
Another 3 2x4s,
Okay.
and to make it kind of the same frame here to have symmetry.
Okay. Then you got the one in the middle there. You're going to add some to
That's
it.
gonna add 3 more
Okay.
pieces of 2x4s. That's gonna be a gigantic, enormous island
Enormous island.
in there,
I love it.
and
Yeah. Enormous island.
this become the great room.
Oh, I think it's great. Okay. Okay, but I still haven't quite got the picture. So you're going to put some,
That guy.
you're going to close this back in, or is you going to?
We're gonna close it in. Seating is gonna have a corner right there. Buckle up there.
Okay.
And we're gonna put the 2x16, 2 pieces,
Okay.
beams. They're 18
Okay.
inches,
Yeah.
18 feet.
Okay. And once you've done that, you can take all this out.
Right.
Okay.
Once we have that, yes.
So when the time comes, you're gonna have a 12-inch
Fur down.
fur down.
Yes.
Okay, and then this will be totally open into
Yes, completely.
so that'll be one giant room.
Yes. Okay, can I start kicking? Can I kick it? No? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Kick it, Ruth.
Yeah.
Kick it, Ruth.
I need to take more.
Karate kick.
There you go. There we go. Now there's the out of the back. Awesome. This is what I wanted to see.
That's what I like doing, hitting stuff with a hammer.
Hey Jack, you want to kick some?
I want to kick some. I want to kick.
Too late.
Wait, okay.
I did a bunch of stuff yesterday.
You did that?
Oh, this is gonna be fabulous.
Nice eyes, babe.
All right. So our living room is now open to the den.